Hi guys, welcome back to a new video. Today I'm going to tell you how to make animations in Roblox Studio. So first, I need to tell you some stuff. So if you want to animate with R6, it's easy, it's simple, and it's one of the fastest ways to animate. While if you want to animate R15, it's very hard, it takes time, but still, you can use any type of rig you want. So number one, we're going to go to our rig builder and we're gonna make an R6 block rig or whatever. I'm gonna do R6 since it's easy. If you don't like this part head, what you can do is go to the dummy, click on the head, then click on a special mesh, then it automatically rescales it to like this. It looks a bit small, but it's okay. Yeah, it looks very small. But what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna get a dummy from the toolbox, sorry. So number one is done. Now we're gonna go to our plugins. We're gonna get our animations plugin. So as you can see, we have opened our animation editor. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna click on our rig and we're just gonna name this something. I'm just name him test. As you can see, here's our character. So in this video, we're just gonna make a quick dab. So yeah, okay. So what you need to do is Number one, I'm gonna tell you about the animation editor. So here's the timeline. Here's so when you move apart, it will like show up what you animated, and this is how long the timeline is. So let's quickly make this dab. So you're gonna go to 09. This is the perfect time because look, so pretend if you want to make your animation smoother, you have to go by every keyframe, but to make it easier, you can just go to one keyframe and then you can just edit that. So I'm gonna pull this arm up, I'm gonna rotate it like that, then I'm also rotating it by the green side. Same thing for here. I'm gonna dab like that. So you can see it dabs. So see, it's perfect, but you gotta make it way more realistic by shaking the head and stuff. So we're gonna quickly look at the animation. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make it so as at 03, the head goes down, goes a bit like this. So it's like this. It looks pretty cool. What you can also do is you can also move your hand up and scale it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna click on the up. I'm gonna move this up a bit so it's like dab. Now it looks a bit better. I'm gonna put this down a bit. Now it looks better. You can also work around with your animations, but I'm gonna quickly just rotate it. Okay, now we're done that, but now we gotta animate the legs. So what you can do is just do it a little bit like that. I'm gonna do it like this. It's like this. So as you can see, we're done our animation. It's pretty simple and quick. It took me under like a minute, you could say. It's pretty sick. But you can do if you want it. You can also put it on replay, so it's like a infinite, but it looks bad. So what you do is you just keep it like that. So what we're gonna do is when we're gonna export it, you're just gonna click on publish to Roblox. Then what you're gonna do is you're just gonna publish it, but I'm not gonna publish it. Actually, you know what? I am gonna publish it, so I can put in the link in the description so you guys can have it. So I'm gonna do the test dab. Okay, description. Just keep it dab. So we're gonna submit it. I'm gonna copy this. Okay, I've published it, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye. Beep. Okay guys, so here's the announcement. At 100 subscribers, I'm gonna be attempting to beat a Roblox world record to make the world's longest obby. So this comment here by my cousin, he said to make a hardcore obby, so I'm gonna make like the world's longest hardcore obby. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.